10 natural ways to get rid of varicose veins and improve blood flow. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many of us: varicose veins. These twisted, swollen veins can be uncomfortable and unsightly. But fear not. We've got 10 natural ways to help you manage varicose veins and boost blood flow. Let's explore them in depth. 1. Exercise regularly. First up, regular exercise is key. It promotes better blood circulation in the legs, helping to push along the blood that has collected in the veins. Low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, and cycling are excellent choices. Remember, consistency is crucial. 2. Compression stockings. Compression stockings are your new best friend. These specially designed stockings apply gentle pressure to your legs, aiding the muscles and veins in moving blood toward the heart. Studies show that using knee-high compression stockings with a pressure of 18 to 21 mmHg can significantly reduce pain and aching associated with varicose veins. 3. Choose non-restrictive clothing. Say goodbye to tight-fitting clothes. Loose-fitting attire improves circulation by not restricting blood flow to your lower body. And ladies, consider swapping those high heels for flat shoes to ease pressure on your leg veins. Your veins will thank you. 4. Keep those legs elevated. Remember to elevate your legs whenever possible. Ideally, keep them at the same height as your heart or above. This reduces pressure in the leg veins, allowing blood to flow smoothly back to your heart. Try propping your legs up while watching TV or reading. 5. Gentle massage. Give your legs some love with gentle massages. Massaging the affected areas helps keep the blood moving through the veins. Use moisturizers or massage oils for optimal effects. You deserve a relaxing self-care session. 6. Stay hydrated. Hydration is essential. Drinking enough water ensures that your blood remains fluid and doesn't thicken. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Herbal teas and hydrating foods like watermelon and cucumber also count. 7. Eat foods rich in antioxidants. Load up on antioxidant-rich foods like berries, citrus fruits, and leafy greens. Antioxidants protect blood vessels and improve overall circulation. Plus, they're delicious. Try adding a berry smoothie to your morning routine. 8. Elevate your feet while sleeping. Prop up your feet with a pillow while sleeping. This position encourages blood flow back to the heart and reduces pressure on the veins. Elevating your feet also helps prevent swelling. 9. Avoid prolonged sitting or standing. Whether you're at work or home, take breaks to move around. Sitting or standing for long periods can worsen varicose veins. Set a timer to remind yourself. It's a small change with big benefits. 10. Herbal remedies. Explore herbal remedies like horse chestnut extract, butcher's broom, and grape seed extract. These have shown promise in reducing vein swelling and discomfort. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplements. And there you have it, 10 natural ways to tackle varicose veins and boost blood flow. Remember, consistency and self-care are key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and take care.